Hello, students. This is the answer key for quiz number 10. For problem number 1, let's remember that is equals, of is times. When we put 60% in on our calculator, we'll write it as 0.60. 9 is 9. What number is what we're looking for? Now we solve that equation. To get n by itself, the inverse of multiplication is division. So on my calculator, what I need is 9 divided by 0.60. 15. Perfect. On number 2, is equals, of is times. I'll copy 20 here, 250 here. I'm looking for the percent. The inverse of multiplication is division. And on my calculator, when I type in 20 and divide it by 250, I get 0.08. Now that's a decimal. My final answer is to be a percent. So I move the decimal point 2 spots and call that 8%. For number 3, is equals, of is times. I'll copy the 280. 35%, when I put it in my calculator, should go in as 0.35. This time, my final answer, I need only multiply these together. 0.35 times 280 is 98. Beautiful. The formula, part is percent of total, will help us get through number 4. Let's start by copying down our formula. Part is percent of total. Dave earned $480 at his job last week. Let's remember is equals, of is times, $480. That's the total amount that Dave earned at his job. He plans to put $72 of that money into a savings account. $72 is part of his money. Final question, what percent of his money is he saving? We're looking for the percent. The inverse of multiplication is division. Now on a calculator, 72 divided by 480 is 0.15. That's a decimal. My final answer is to be a percent. So I move the decimal point 2 spots. Dave is saving 15% of his money. For these problems, I need to draw a graph. I also must show my XY chart and label points on the graph. For number 5, I'll get my graph ready and my XY chart ready. Since there are no fractions in the problem, I know that 0, 1, and 2 will work effectively. Let's plug in 2 for x. 2 times -3 is -6. plug in 1 for x. 1 times -3 is -3. Of course, when I plug in 0, 0 times anything is 0. Now plot the points. 0, 0 is at the origin. 1, -3 is 1 right, 3 down. 2, -6 is 2 right, 6 down. Let's connect those with a nice straight line. And then label. 0, 0, 1, -3, 2, -6. Again, here's my graph and my XY chart. Since there are no fractions, we'll use 0, 1, and 2. When I plug in 2 for x, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Plug in 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 3, -1. When I plug in 0 for x, 0 times anything is 0, and 0 minus 3 is -3. Now 0, -3 is 0 left and right, 3 down. 1, -1 is 1 right, 1 down. 2, 1 is 2 right, 1 up. Draw a line through those points. And then label. Perfect.